What up? I'm Noel here at SEMA 2024. This is a short video on all the tools that I liked. Let's start with the electric jack. We'll keep the list down to 3 new tools I'll buy that were presented at SEMA 2024. This here is the E-Jack made by RoadTek. This one can lift up to 3 tons. It runs on a 20-volt battery, goes up to 24 inches. It has 2 buttons at the end of the handle, one for up, one for down. It does have a manual emergency release to lower the vehicle, but you cannot pump it to raise the vehicle. Now, if it had a remote control, it would have made this jack that much better. I'll be buying this electric jack to test it out. But overall, the comments have been negative. I 100% agree with that first comment by Xtel. Another battery to keep track of. So what are your thoughts on the electric jack? Will you be E-jacking in 2025 and beyond? And next, the Flex and Fold funnels by Caliber Incorporated. These fold flat for convenient storage. They save space and won't get dusty on the inside. The price ranges from $10 up to $30. I believe this company holds the patents for the foldable funnel. They are chemical resistant, safe for brake fluid, coolant, fuel, wiper fluid, and oils. The bottom is a square shape, which supposedly is a better design over the conventional circular bottom. Magnets keep the funnels closed when folded. The yellow one there flexes, which can be useful for tough to reach places. I definitely will be buying the blue and yellow ones. These make great gifts for the automotive enthusiast. Last up, we have the existing Mityvac MVA6855 pressure bleed adapter kit. This tool is used to bleed the brake fluid without the need to pump the brakes. You can solo bleed. These here are just the adapters that seal on top of the brake master cylinder. You'll still need a couple other tools to complete the setup. This toolkit has received fantastic reviews, but it is missing some adapters. So for SEMA 2024, we got a sneak peek at the MVA6855. This kit will include adapters for Honda, 2018 and newer Fords, and even a Tesla adapter for the Model S and Model X. Price will be around $250. I'll pick up this kit for the Honda and Ford adapters. And there it is, a quick video on 3 new tools I'll buy that were presented at SEMA 2024. Have a good day.